Hello, everyone. I'm Allison, and this is Gabe. And we're here. We're going to talk to you about Bailey Bear from Conscious Discipline. We're also going to talk to you about Bailey Bear's buddies that Dawson Orman Early Childhood Center is going to be using. So if you're watching this today, you're probably a part of their professional learning community, their PLC, and you're going to be seeing this as just another tool for your tool belt to be able to use in your classroom with your students. And so Gabe is going to help me out here today with Bailey Bear. And Gabe, can you show the kids Bailey?
Surprise!
This is Bailey. All right, and now Gabe, I'm going to do a little talking. So can you hold Bailey up while I do the talking so I can show the parts? Perfect. All right, Bailey Bear comes with a backpack. It looks like this. It goes on his back like that. And Dawson has two Bailey Bears in their possession. It comes with some directions on the inside on how to get started. And so there are 3 steps to Bailey Bear from Conscious Discipline. The first one is load. You want to choose 4 of the badges. So Gabe, can you show them the badges that we've chosen? We chose balloon breath, sad, happy,
round around the garden.
round and round the garden. And so the ones that you got from Conscious Discipline do have I love you rituals. Those are a great step for connection. But what we're going to talk about with Dawson won't have the I love you rituals yet. So Gabe, can you load those all up on Bailey's hands and feet while I do some talking?
Sure.
And do it quietly so I can do my words. All right, after you load them, the child or your class, however you're doing this, whether or not it's whole group or one-on-one or small group, they'll choose that choice and they're going to put it in the center of the little heart of Bailey. So while Gabe is getting those on, he's chosen. You want to show them what you chose? Oh, nope, we're just using the ones that we picked. I know that you like the other ones. So you chose, he's loaded. Who did you load on Bailey's tummy? Who is that?
Happy.
He chose happy. And so you might say something like, Gabe, can I see, show me what happy looks like. What does your face look like when you're happy? It looks like this. So as you can see, Gabe's face is smiling. His eyes are squeezed a little bit. Gabe is happy. And one thing you might say when you're sharing this with your class is, Gabe, let's talk about what are some times.
Excited is kind of like happy, like.
Yes, and Gabe's going to show you excited now. Gabe, what are some times when we might feel happy? I'll share first what you think. I feel happy when I go on a walk and I see all the different fall leaves falling off the trees. Gabe, what's the time that you feel happy?
I like to do mini golf in Indianapolis. We're gonna do it someday.
Okay, thank you so much. You did a great job sharing things that make you happy. So once you do that, you're gonna put it back on the hand. Gabe, can you put it back on the hand?
Sure.
Can you load it back? And then the heart is empty, so that means they can make another choice or they can put Bailey away. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna set Bailey down. And Gabe is going to get Bailey's backpack on while I do a little bit of talking. Can you put Bailey's backpack on?
Sure.
All right. So
I'm gonna show them how to put it on.
okay.
See this strap? It goes on. See on this strap?
Mm-hmm.
It goes on that arm.
Yeah.
Arm. This strap goes on that arm.
See.
And this strap goes on this arm. And you just put Bailey's backpack on there. That's how you do it.
It is. That is how you would use Bailey. And now we're going to talk about Bailey's buddies. And so we know with COVID that things are a little bit different, that you might not be able to share things one-on-one as much as you used to in the classroom. We also know that some little ones need a little bit more.
Bailey's saying yes.
Bailey's saying yes. Thank you. Can you remember that while I'm doing my talking real quick, I need you to sit and be silent?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. They might need a little bit more one-on-one extra time. And so we have made what we're going to call Bailey Buddy backpacks, and that's some nice alliteration right there. And inside the backpacks are going to be some icons. I'm going to show the icons real quick. You can gently and quietly play with Bailey. Okay, you understand? So you will get all of the top 4 emotions of scared, sad, angry, and happy. And then you will get some choices to load for how to manage those emotions. And so the first thing you'll get will be the calming breath options. And I know you guys here at Dawson are pretty familiar with all these. You'll get balloon, drain, pretzel, and star. And then you'll have some choices for when you're managing that emotion with your little one or in a small group setting. Do you remember what our commitment was? We're going to listen. Okay, and give mom her time to talk. He does look cute. All right, are you ready? Can I go ahead and move forward? You got this. So the choices that they'll have would be draw a picture, read a book, talk to someone, and journal writing. And so the idea is kind of twofold. You can use, he's showing you Bailey. Do you remember when I'm talking?
Yeah.
You're going to sit right here
I
quietly.
know.
Okay, thank you. So you can use the backpack to have your own Bailey backpack that would be used with your blank Bailey. So let's say you don't want the pieces to be shared and touched because of germs. You could have children that have their own individual backpacks with their own individual choices. Or you can get what we call a Bailey buddy. I'm going to show them Gabe's Bailey buddy. Gabe, can you tell them what's your Bailey buddy's name? Who is this?
Misty.
This is Misty, Gabe's turtle. Can you show them, Misty? Ready?
I'm gonna zip up the back.
Oh, Gabe is going to zip up the backpack. And so with this idea, you could have a smaller little buddy that would go one-on-one with the child. So let's say maybe Gabe and I are working on managing angry because we're working on sharing in the classroom. Then he would have a little Bailey buddy and he would get that one-on-one time. And so Gabe, we need to practice our calm. I know that you're happy right now because your face is doing this. Thank you. We're helping the kids and the teachers. And when we help them, we're calm. You got this. I know you're so excited. Even though we practiced, you're excited. Right. So we have some choices. I can stop the recording and I can finish it without you.
You can record it.
Or I can record with you following the directions. Okay, thank you. So Gabe has Bailey and you get to see some conscious discipline in action here with us. And I have to calm myself and remind myself that this is unwanted behavior. It's not unsafe behavior. So I'm trying to talk to you all. And so you could take around your Bailey buddy. And let's say I have someone that's working on sharing that gets angry. This could be their solution. You could have them pull it out and say, oh, you're angry. Let's get our blank Bailey up here. And so this is where I need your help. Are you ready?
Yep.
So let's pretend you've got your Bailey buddy. Are you ready? And we've got our blank Bailey because we're trying to be safe from coronavirus. All right. So let's pretend, can you pretend that you're angry because you have to share? Gabe is angry. So I'll say, Gabe, you look angry. Sit down. You look angry. Let's get your Bailey buddy backpack and let's pull angry out. Are you ready? All right, now put angry in the middle of the tummy. So you were angry. You were hoping that you wouldn't have to share your toy. Oh, now you're throwing it too because you're angry. So let's see. We have some choices. You can stay angry or we can take a calming choice. What calming choice have you chosen? Oh, great job. Gabe is choosing to read a book. Good job. And then Gabe, oh, you're pretending to read your book. Excellent. Awesome. And then if this was a true angry situation, before we would get to that choice, I would say, Gabe, which breathing do you want to do? Oh, and now you're happy. Gabe is happy now. Can you show them what breathing you like to do when you're feeling angry? Do you like to do the star, the pretzel, the drain, or the balloon? Which one helps you when you're feeling angry? Oh, we're going to do drain. Do the drain. Ready? Ready? And so we have done the drain. And so that is how you can have a Bailey buddy. If you want to have little individual ones that go around with your blank Bailey.
Me
like
too.
Or you could make your own little teeny tiny Baileys because we know that while it's nice to have this big Bailey here and it's great for a whole group, we do have kids or small groups that have some extra choices and they have extra needs. And so the point of conscious discipline is being able to recognize and get to that I solve step. So we have talked about the 5 steps to calming and self-regulation so that I'm triggered, I calm, I name my feeling, I make a choice, and then I have a solution. And so these Baileys or the baby Baileys could absolutely be one of those solutions. And as you can see, Gabe has 2 Baileys because these are going to another site as well. So I think, Gabe, we've done a great job now. Are you ready to show everybody the Baileys? And we're going to say goodbye. Ready?
Oh, no going to say goodbye.
Oh, so what are you feeling? Your face is
Yeah, go up. I get to go up after I say bye.
going like- Okay, so we will say goodbye, Dawson. Ready? All right, I'm gonna pause the recording. All right, here we go.